Ever added a video to your watch later list, only to forget where you saved it? Don't worry, finding your saved watch later playlist on YouTube is super simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. First, head over to the YouTube homepage, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu. We're looking for the section labeled Library. Click on the Library icon. This is your personal hub for all your saved content on YouTube, including your watch history, subscriptions, and yes, your watch later playlist. Once you're in your library, scroll down slightly. You'll see a section titled Playlists. This is where all your curated collections of videos will live. And there it is. Your watch later playlist. You can usually find it right at the top or very near the top of your playlists, often with a little clock icon next to it, making it super easy to spot. Click on Watch Later, and you'll be taken to a page filled with all the videos you've saved for another time. Now, you can easily access and organize all your planned viewing. So remember, next time you need to find those videos you meant to watch, just go to your library and look for that trusty Watch Later playlist. Happy viewing!